And House of Folk 112 years in there. The Continental Club Masters. Accra House of Folk celebrity 112 years. House of Folk. 112 years. House of Folk. Continental Club Masters. But okay. Na ya reho. And na club bit say pa dim fie we ni park crazy akan also. Oh, there be or park. Obon match one.
Oh, you see.
There be me training park. Oh, me so only park. Oh, they don't have.
Accra Sports Stadium say oh.
There be no media. There be.
There no media.
And no hand to they don't have.
Media but say no House of Folk abra bon there more convincing than obi mu there.
Enye no correct. Convincing now omunye park.
Oh, mo better than Kotoko.
I want there ho.
Na Kotoko 20 page.
Ah, what that go
manager go jati nya na sia na mo
club to put mama so na say.
Na and the current state of Pobimani that Adako jati we just.
Omunyina the same matter. We start container we start we.
No, me person bisa say the current state of Adako jati and the current state of Pobimani.
Oh, I know they won't even fan compare there but omunyina omuni
he. Is a players that Pobimani so ya aware there.
Ah, and they da. Perhaps Kotoko mguso high dying. But I started as a club when 112 years. Only park is here also. Only football park. This is the be oko high. Only jam has.
I'm a real way, many aje.
Oh dear.
Say,
Mama, almost everything. Almost the room when I'm matching. Mammy, how are more official you made about thing. About Facebook on as well. Official birthday anniversary for phobia. Where majority shareholders start mommy. Majority shareholders
Asika for the man house no.
Yes.
No. Prince Media me nwe hwe meni age. Meni ji age nyina ne say kay 2 years ago a ke be kan different story. E wom said they work no e no kre tro do. But ene yo mo bon kokora no afiko no munya bebi di omutra to a me e na gisem de mami. At least they don't have stadium. Ye nyina eji to.
Mani NC Asia post no mami. Pa post no ha. They already Facebook no so no. No be a. Yes. House of Folk omudi 112 years amaka jo say omuni football stadium omusi akan wo omo han but the good thing and no more has etima TV enie o shut up na ahoye commercial center na omu bu no
old one
ne wa no ntima mo Facebook no old one na wana se no commercial center no mu bu no and o masi new one e wo top see the new fair na wo top ne the new commercial center for House of Folk Omasi omawie oba ne nchen wa
ama plaster
ama plaster bibia wi
bibia
the glass oba ne nchen wa where the trading facility a house aye e wo put mine AstroTurf 2 and normal grass 2 e wo put mine and da wo no ye ka to so mo maybe on volleyball tennis court and no tiny right no a diner players in them
fantastic
house ojo omo hand dan
debi
player that put be
I will put mine
sorry I know could train
yes
who ho mu jari
bibia ho and no na se no the new one so much and also dan almost the one that you coach by no guy or PK and also dan and also put my ho e ka house ho and Ninja also the same thing. Like facilities I need now put mine. Into where and you my house at TV.
How would the birthday?
How would the birthday in there? How would it tell you?
The birthday na ye.
Birthday mudino.
And no my aya did the birthday.
And
anytime say many agent. But what I say? Anytime say me real way. Many agent. Because yes say usa and I say usiso. Now o driving nice car. Na afei wanyini wadru baby no afei na wonante fo
we Yrars for nyina so da ho
yes anything am say
emma no omo matim
o matim na enti me de me mani age omo down baby
some down baby
omo down baby
oh okay
no omo has man oak from so
oak lady
oak for no
oak lady
how are you Oh, crying.
David,
Hey, don't picture
what's he saying?
Oh, yeah.
There be any be one when ye.
Oh, you giddy, sir.
And your badu.
Oh,
Now you say did me now person.
Ah, say you give me
you.
Emano.
Oh,
You know coach.
And I'm a cook.
Mistake cook. Na onu cross on your back.
Na son when you.
Mo ana me say Emano.
But that's squatting how open massam can do.
Then I feel just a man remember you not fakono.
Omunya na.
I don't just say omunya
oh put my home. Fantastic. But
different place.
Ba me me.
I do that the birthday no the birthday.
I don't want some there.
A man nya maybe gidi biasa.
On say kan gidi biasa de waja no. Gidi biasa de waja no. Ya mi so me hwe ya no so no gidi.
Boroski bu type. And Richard Atamu type.
And to the crowd, when say, I'm happy for this House of Folk team. At this stage, at this age, that's the one you be way. That's the what they celebrate. Who anniversary, who birthday. I think say a better. Currently in this country, there is no football club. In this country, football club, Premier League club. Our better facilities at the House of Folk. Club be anyhow. And Togo afede. We a massive achievement. You bekan Togo back side. You bekan na Togo enko AGM. Omunya. And about 4 or 5 years ni yenye AGM. And no. But the positive aspect of it in the say. House of Folk for the first time celebrating their birthday today. Now some more this infrastructure. Prince, yeah, Mama Basso, me, I'm very, very happy for them. Menya de papa say at long last, House of Folk, maybe a trim. Na komo pacho, ewo Legon, Yrars Park. House of Folk na komo pacho, ewo ATCC. House of Folk na komo begi, ewo Tessa no honomo. Today, House of Folk, ankasa, at the Omankasa apartment. Omo sorry, no man create training. DSTV or ha, omo swimi. I mean, don't pay you more. I think they're very good.
Almost tweets no. Glorious birthday stroke anniversary to the oldest and the most beautiful club in Ghana and beyond. Happy 112 years to Phobia. CAF Champions Select Champions. CAF Confederation Cup Champions. CAF Super Cup Champions. Ghana Premier League Champions. MTN FA Cup Champions. Ghana Super Cup Champions. President Cup Champions, numerous trophies, the only treble-winning club in Ghana and Africa, the only treble-winning club in Ghana and Africa.
Africa, they know I'm going to win. Baby, so we need treble. The baby win be
treble.
The baby win be.
Timbe.
Oh, Ali ma win be. Ali ma TP Mezembe mo nyina win be.
And no more Africa be shemo.
Some say in Africa, that treble no. Oh.
The only trouble-winning club, Ghana.
Ghana, dear.
Ghana, Africa.
Yes.
Oh, say Ghana, Africa.
Ghana, dear.
Ghana, Africa. Also like Ghana, Africa. The only trouble-winning club.
Yes.
In Ghana. Africa.
Yes, because Ghana is African. And yes. On that aspect, I think it's spot on.
With modern academic complex.
Club Ubieno.
Modern commercial center.
Club Ubieno.
Modern secretariat.
Club Ubieno.
Clubhouse.
Club Ubieno.
Quality training pitch.
Club Ubieno.
And equipment.
And no
Phobia.
Aye, masters.
That's from me and inquire.
It's the Prince Media House of Folk. A beautiful moment. Moment near splendid. Moment, you know, a moment obiara mfida. Because e maybe a tremono na House of Folk no more patio. E maybe a tremono House of Folk no more bunko pedwe. E maybe a House of Folk players enya baby na players pro how do you call it? Okada and a training. Into do baby. Many players in because benya problems. Player of in Nigeria and of free buy Lawa. At the pono naso has go mobile because moto makofu moto akopra a whole lot of things. And the House of Folk drew her. Prince, you more House of Folk abaso. Omoya dear. Okay, Yakano to go here no more. But
that's the full way you
Asi? I am the so about phobia.
Stadium no so dey be here pa.
Asset. nyom no de kan sem bebre fa has ho de bia media me se o se kan sem fa has ho a omo ade ba ko a me mani gye ho pa ye nyom no nyom aye honhom I'm happy that no pay wa bon nyom no de ama has football na be modern day football assistant fititi de no na since a football be modern the greatest ever team to have graced the occasion House of Folk in Ghana. Can you? Since you come you adapt you to the modern day football. On a Premier League near Bono 93. Almost by any Premier League and I can see me boy. Yes, you come say one football better than modern day football. Africa Cup Winners' Cup and a Champions League Confederations Cup and I'm a boy. The greatest ever Ghanaian club to have graced the occasion. One football by a modern House of Folk. That was 35 years, sir. Team Amu who continental trophy wa Ghana has. Obia wanya 35 years ene. Team Amu wanya continental trophy. Wa who bino House of Folk. Akwasi unim say go to a point in time.
Over Facebook almost celebrate pa.
Fantastic.
Over Facebook on half celebrating pa.
Fantastic. Because when say got to a point in time, House of Folk were ranked 8th best club in the world. It happened in the year 2001.
104.9.
A day after House, it says Zamale 2-0 at the Super Cup na. You win and CNN and ranking House the 8th best club. You see, we are the club ni see one man. And the since football by a modern day has now redefined Ghana football in continental. The only club. I'm a Ghana. Yanimate. Oh, young continent, you know. House of Folk. Nobody. It's a fact. From 2000, 2001. I'm with the Africa Bomobo. Won the Champions League, won the Super Cup. Unforeseen circumstances. And I'm a has Anchor Club FIFA World Cup. And Kahas in Real Madrid, they are coming by a minute because 99, 2000. And Bayern Munich, I say, free Manchester United one. So Manchester United, I come back. Only gonna associate Moya against Bayern Munich, no. It's coming Man United, mo. And the Kwakobo. Because what I say, because the House of Folk is the only Ghanaian club, one football by a modern day. The greatest club in Ghana, in the modern day football. The Virgin Cup Confederation, the only Ghanaian club to have won it. House of Folk. And they can say, Niama to Facebook in your house, yo. Uncle Haya Commercial Center, Saudi, advert be sponsorship package. When it has Bediga, they have an office. Ukwa Kusia will be Nakotanasi. One contrato Clobia Munani has in Niga. They have an office, Commercial Center.
104.9 FM.
Nyama, in terms of branding, everything about House of Folk, you are going to their commercial center to deal with them. What's it mean? Me players. Every time, no, so my few running, I can't say radio for say, me players next year, any time, I saw Gabi. House of Folk in the modern day football, every any complex, no, players to Poppy Mice, yeah, or did you no, I could spoon, no, I could direct, or we are could da, Kakran, no, relax it, or Felicia or any wife could be able to remember, no, I fell not now, but now, no, I set the table, Kakra. No man, no, 50 attitude. We are a good put in 20 times what I'm going training. Come on, be
0.9 FM.
We see has players say so. I saw like a Froby. What I say, or hide our town man. It is supervision, modern day football administration. Of course, we House of Folk say, and now you're Mudium birthday, no, and never I told you. Has the players in Kwasao? That be not want to chrome.
I can't pull me now.
That be. What to Poppy mine?
Security title.
And your man go here no has fun jam a case who has the player say or +2 tabby.
Who PS over years yet?
Sanity, supervision,
so requires some
proper football administration, modern day football administration. The Real Madrid by some Manchester Muyano. I say has there you go crime. The player was a common no. Who could the traffic him? Casemi late to training. WW have no excuse. Or AstroTurf mienu. Or natural grass mienu. A class posted in National Stadium. also bet me sina kan Roma mo kra na mbebo Lazio Stadio Olimpico nyom dia San Siro no nyom dia but they have their training complex yo mo dia mo ankasa je mo place wo ho eti niema ha se okoi mu dia kwasi by phone na ni so ade no ho ade aye fa anya ne fe o so ade ase has the football no different level now they let has also ensure say omo wini edi kunim niema na omo ye wo ho no mo no masa I am modern day football administration